What up, folks? This is your boy Ferris Deloney, and I am coming to you live here from my home office, bringing you a closer look at a tool that I'm using to create my content. You can see my pudding in the background. I'm have to get updated picture of both my babies. But this is a tool that I'm using to create my thumbnails. I've been using for the past couple of days to create my thumbnails. So it is called the Ultimate Thumbnail Maker. You can buy the ad-free pro, but I don't give a daggone about that. I don't care about no ads. I get the free version because the free version works just like that. It's just without the ads. So I'm going to use a 16.9 inch ratio. They get blur, wall, brick. So brick is the one I've been using. I kind of try to keep with a theme for a little while. I will change it up, but as you can see, they have different versions that you can use too. I think I will go with a tropical version. I think I'm gonna go with a tropical version for this. Yeah, I think I will go with a tropical version for this. Let's see. For this video. Utilize that. And let's see. And make sure, I don't know, I want to use the top of the palm trees. I want to use something with a little bit more. Okay. Right there should do it. And I can adjust the scale a little bit. Okay. And okay. Crop my video. Of course, I'm gonna get more crap pitched to me, but that's okay. I can take a little bit free stuff. So I'm gonna go through. Make sure I got my images, my gallery that I have set up already. Utilize me and my sweet pea. Utilizing you and me and my sweet pea. This picture. Alright. I'm going to tilt that. Put that right there. Kind of like a little scrapbook. You can do it any way you want to. I just like doing it like that. Because straight up and down, doesn't really bring any attention to it. So, let's see. Image, use gallery, and yeah. Let's see where is cache folder. Shot downloads. Okay, can't find it. Can't find my Ibummerang picture, so I'm going to have to go to video. Images. Let's see. Alright. Didn't have to be that big. Don't want to visit that. Nope. Nope. Don't want to do that. Don't want to do that. Don't want to do that. Some of these, yeah. Save image. Download. Yes. Go back to my. Okay, downloads. Utilize that. Didn't really need any cropping. Give that a little side view. Let me move my face, big fat face out of the way for you. Okay. All right. On my phone. Let's see. Now, add text to it. All right. What was the title of this video? Okay. Okay, I want to use all caps. All right, this. Plan. Done. So text, I've been kind of going with a theme on my text. I think that's one of the things people like to see, themes. Let's see. Fonts. They have different fonts here too, so you can utilize the fonts. That's the font I like. Color. I think I want to use a lighter blue. Let me see what that looks like. Aqua blue, okay. I want to make that bigger. This was hot. I'm going to add a sticker to that because, let's see. So I saw some flames through this electricity. I'm going to take that. And spread you. That's the only problem with that is you gotta separate it. I don't think that's gonna work right there. But either way it goes. All right. So big. I could probably add another one to it, but I'm not going through all that drama. Now, it does come with effects and different effects on here. I'm going to try to keep my finger on it, but it will add something else to the background that you can do. It doesn't really make it, it's not really interactive effects, but you can utilize that to I think that's too light. Let me go back to my fonts. Shadow. I'll give a little bit more depth capacity to my wording. Let me see. Black. Blur. Don't want the blur heavy on it. The only thing will come back that's dealing you have it comes with issues that when you have fat fingers is the meat hooks are hard to use when you're trying to do little things. So I want to add a little bit more depth, less blur, a little bit more depth. Let me see what it looks like. Still looks a little off, so that's a little bit too white. I need something with some depth to it. Okay. Looks a little less. I'm trying to give it a little depth so it could be seen. And thumbnail done. Now, only issue is, oh crap. You have to deal with the ads, but that's all right. I can send this to Facebook or whatever have you, or Messenger. I'm gonna add it to my story, but I'm not gonna do that. I can't even do it for myself. Nah. This is where the part comes in that, no, jerk. So that's pretty much it. When you get done with it, you might have to email it to yourself from your account. You might have to email it to another email account that you have. That's what I've been having to do. I know it's a little bit, of a step up, but I mean, to utilize a tool, even though I have a thumbnail generator on this on my other video on my for my TubeBuddy thing, I still like to give myself a little bit of a variety on my videos. And I think changing it up and doing this for free is still pretty cool. So with that being said, I know this has been a long video. Reminding you guys, this is Ferris Lord, reminding you guys, be blessed, not stressed, always be motivated by success. And I'll see you guys on the beaches of the world. And if not, I hope to see you at the bank catching a big check.